Well, now to a News 5 exclusive. A nightmare after Christmas on Cleveland's West Side. A woman says she was assaulted on the sidewalk just days after Christmas by a man in a ski mask. She filed a police report. News 5's Derek Waller's live now on Bridge Avenue. Derek, she told you she hasn't heard anything in the week since the attack.
That's exactly right. They did arrive at the scene and filed a report, but since then she says nothing, even though this man had his face completely covered. She says assaulted her at random and is still at large.
It is a man running at me with a ski mask.
So Haley Ann Tussey tells me she didn't start running. Instead, she turned around, made eye contact, started screaming, and reached for the pepper spray.
He just dropped his hand from the back of my head and just punched me in the side of my face. And then kind of just grabbed me by my shoulders and threw me to the ground.
The fight on Bridge Avenue near West 52nd Wednesday night left her with this bruise. It happened walking home from this Lorraine Avenue gas station. Only walking, she says, because her car was broken down. At the time, she was wearing a Bluetooth headset talking to her mom.
I thought I was going to die. That's why I was screaming at my mom that I love her.
There is a lot of good happening in Ohio City. There's people moving in, new homes and investment. But Tussey thinks that is exactly why she was targeted right here.
Women who are parking their cars going into their houses even are at risk.
That's why she's alarmed. Several days later, police have not contacted her. Via email, they told me that was on purpose. Police say this was a simple assault, and that's why they did not follow up.
Which is really hurtful and actually really scary. I was attacked by somebody in a ski mask out of nowhere.
And she does have a description. She remembers the man being white and kind of short, only about 5'6", and stocky, and she says he was wearing a brown leather coat that was lined with wool. Live in Cleveland, Derek Waller, News 5.